This tutorial shows you some aspects of molecular property computation. If we have a molecule, in this case methyl fluoride, we want to do a calculation. We go up and we say choose ab initio, say 321G, and just go and do a single point. We'll compute the wave function and certain properties. In particular, if we go up and we ask for properties, we'll get the molecular properties. In this case, we only have the total energy and some variations on that. We have the dipole moment and the XYZ components. We do not have the gradient because we didn't either ask for the gradient nor did we optimize, so the gradient's not available. Nor is the polarizability, which we could have asked for, but we didn't. So those are the molecular properties. And we got molecular properties because we had not chosen anything or selected anything other than the molecule. If we select an atom and do the same thing, we'll get a different dialog box which gives us the atomic properties. In this case, the mass and basis set and so on, the charge on that atom according to Mulliken population analysis, the spin population, hyperfine constant, they're 0 because we don't have a radical. If we had an open shell radical, then we would get some non-zero values here. And again, no gradient on that atom because we haven't calculated gradients. If instead of an atom we choose a bond that has two atoms that are bonded to each other and ask for the properties, we'll get the bond properties. In this case, there's relatively simple. It's just the bond length and the bond order that's computed from the wave function. So you have to be a little bit careful in this situation like this that HyperChem operates always on a select operate mode, where what you get may very well depend upon what you've selected before you do the operation. In this particular case, the properties dialog box depends upon the selection and gives you different properties depending on the selection.